Hey you guys, and welcome back to our channel. So in today's video we are going to do a little bit of a quicker clean. This is just when I want to clean the kitchen and the living room over there. This is just when I feel just so cluttered and so overwhelmed by a messy space that I just want to lightly pick up and clean down the counters and stuff, and pick up, you know, just junk off the counters, throw it away, and pick up Bray's toys, put those in her toy box, so that way I can just like think, you know what I mean? So anyways, I wanted to hop on here and talk to you guys about the new schedule that I want to do. This type of schedule will be, I think, a little bit easier to not get confused by. So we have the series Mommy Motivational Monday, and that happens twice a month, and I used to post Monday, Wednesday, Friday. But to make it easier and so you guys don't get confused, I think I want to post, or not I think, I know I'm going to post Monday, Tuesday, Friday. So still keeping that Tuesday, Friday upload and just throwing in a Monday for that week. So that will happen twice a month, just like it used to, but it'll be Monday, Tuesday, Friday, if that makes sense. I hope I didn't confuse you guys even more. But yeah, that's what I came up with, and I already scheduled my whole book of September like that. So it just makes it easier on me, on you guys to know, like, okay, it's still, you know, you're not going to get confused with during that week. Anyways, so like I said before, this video is going to be a very fast, very quick, just light cleanup. And yeah, I hope you like it. Give it a thumbs up if you do, and let's jump into some cleaning. Hey guys, and welcome back to another Mommy Motivational Monday video. In this video we are going to just do some light cleaning, but before that I always have to make myself a cup of coffee.
You and I, we're always on the edge. We fight and make love at the same time. Would you break up just because I told you?
So the first thing I want to get done is just clean the kitchen, and I go straight to the sink and start doing the dishes. This day the dishwasher was dirty, so I just added to it.
But I don't care, it's all forgotten now. We're holy when we touch anyhow. Give me a chance to make it right. Just let me touch you like the first time. We don't need answers to survive. Just let us keep on with the black guys.
Next, I am just going to put clean and fresh new trash bags in so I can get rid of all the trash that is on the countertop, so I can clean those.
Hanging up to see if you would call me. I miss you more when you seem too far away. And you can blame it all on me as long as we can find our way. Do you remember all the times we tried to stop this? Yeah.
Now I'm just putting everything back in its place, like my blender, and just throwing away some cans and some junk, and just putting everything else back away where it belongs.
Give me a chance to make it right. Just let me touch you like the first time. We don't need answers to survive. Just let us keep on with the black guys. Give me a chance to make it right.
Now it is time to clean off the counters. I'm going to be using this Mrs. Meyer's spray and apple cider, and it is so good. If you like fall scents, you are going to love this spray. It will honestly make your whole house smell like fall, and it is amazing.
But as long as I feel that you see me, I will pay no mind at all. So give me a chance to make it right. Just let me touch you like the first time. We don't need answers to survive. Just let us keep on with the black guys. Give me a chance to make it right. Just let me touch you like the first time. We don't need answers to survive. Just let us keep on with the black guys.
Now I'm just going into our living room and picking up all of Braelynn's toys, putting it back where they belong so I can see the floor again, and then I will vacuum after this. And lastly, I put the dishes in the dishwasher to wash. Alright guys, so this is going to be it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed. This is just what I do, and this is what works for me to get in a good mental state and a good mindset, is to have a clean space. This is just what I do on the daily, so I really hope you guys liked it. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you click out, and we will talk soon. Bye.